This is Regina. I am an online digital business owner. I am sharing my experiences, my journey in an online digital business. And I'm doing this real challenge. And our topic for real challenge is how I deal with fear of failure. Um, we all go through that stages. Sometimes in our journey in life, sometimes there are things that we may regret that we did it, or sometimes not even doing anything. It's also a regret of losing the opportunity or the chance of doing something. In my case, as a employee, if I can go back, maybe I can delete everything, brush it off, and make a new changes. Unfortunately, our life doesn't do it that way. We cannot delete it. We need to learn from our past. But the good thing is we can recreate our present and our future. So we learn from the past, modify it, make changes, and hopefully the next thing we're going to do will create what we want to do. Unfortunately, the result of the actions of what we want to do, we really doesn't know the outcome. There's only one powerful that knows the outcome, and that is our Almighty Father. The outcome is basically in the mercy of our Almighty Father. Now, how do I deal with fear of failure? As an ordinary person, I blame myself. I don't blame other people for the result of my action and things that I do, but I blame myself. I will reassess myself if there's something that I have done that I should have done, or there is something why it did not come up the way I expect it to be, right? So be yourself, believe in yourself fully, 100%. 1% of doubt, when you doubt yourself, can make a big difference in the outcome of your action. So believe in yourself 100%, and in that also bring your faith and hope to God. Because whatever, regardless of how hard you plan, regardless of how much you prepare, and regardless of the action that you take, the outcome always come from the will of our Almighty Father. But how I deal with the failure is to learn from our mistakes so that we can be better the next time. So learn from the failure. Don't be afraid to try something different that you have never done before, but learn from it. And as you go on, we cannot rewind time. The good thing is we can always start all over again, a different start, a different plan, a different action all over again. You need to do something different, because if you do that again and again, there will be no change. You will get the same result and you're going to fail all over again. So when you learn from your mistake, from your previous experience, learn something different, try something different. And when you do something different, you will get a different result. So that is just for our short conversation today. So I am Regina. I am an online digital business owner. I am a mentor. I am a business strategist, and I'm helping a lot of people start their online business so that they too can create that lifestyle that they always desire. Sign in at my website at www.startwithregina.com. And also I have a group for those people who wants to learn, get to know me more in a personal level. Sign in at my group at Start with Regina. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.